Alright, this is John Colo at DiscountJuicers.com. Today we have another exciting episode for you. In this episode, I'll be juicing these funny little fruits that have hair on them. They are called Rambutans. They are a tropical fruit. And all the videos I've seen online shows people basically when they juice Rambutans, they cut off the skin and then they take out the seed, right? Like for me, I want to do the minimal amount of work as possible. Now, it is said online, and you guys need to do your own research, that, some cultures eat the seed in small quantities when they're raw. That being said, they contain things like saponins and tannins that, according to my research, are actually in lower amounts that can be neutralized by heating. So many cultures will boil them or bake them and eat the seeds. I've on many occasions eaten the seeds out of Rambutans, and in small quantities, I feel they are safe to eat. Of course, you guys need to do your own due diligence and do what you feel is best. So in any case, what I'm going to do today, I'm just going to cut off the skin of the fruit, the peel, and put the whole fruit in with the seed. The seed is actually going to get crushed up by the juicer and just spit out into the pulp bin. It also will help the juicer better extract the softer fruit pulp. Now we will get a small amount of some of the nutrients, which includes antioxidants from the seed in the juice, so that may change the flavor. But I expect because these Rambutans are quite sweet, it's still going to be super sweet. Now the other thing that you guys may have seen is that I'm making Rambutan lemonade. So I'm not adding any sugar. Some people add sugar to lemonades. I'm just using the Rambutan and extracting the natural goodness, the natural sugars, structured water, vitamins and minerals, and phytonutrients by using the slow juicer. Today I'm using the Nama C2 juicer. The Nama C2 juicer is my favorite juicer on the market at this time because not only is it a juicer, it is also a blender as well. Make sure you watch my unboxing video of the Nama C2 to learn more about it. That being said, you don't need to use the Nama C2. You could use the Nama J2, which will give you the exact same results when using the juicing attachment on the C2. So in any case, actually, we're going to go ahead and get started. I want to show you guys what it looks like inside a Rambutan. So we're just going to go ahead and cut off the skin of one and just reveal it on the inside. Now, as you guys can see, I mean, for lack of a better word, it looks like a little egg. It's an incredible edible Rambutan. And inside the Rambutan, we'll try to do a cross section for you guys. And inside the Rambutan is a Rambutan seed, which unlike many seeds is literally stuck in there. So they are quite hard to get out. And that's why I will simply not be removing them in this video, because I'm lazy and maybe you guys are lazy too. That being said, I do not recommend juicing Rambutans with the seed in any other juicer because it may damage or break the juicer. I've juiced things as hard as corn in the Nama J2, which the Nama C2 uses the same juicing parts and actually, in my opinion, has a stronger motor. Link down below to my original unboxing video, the J2, where I really juiced corn stalks, which was probably not the best idea. These machines are quite durable, and I'm confident that they'll handle the Rambutan seeds without any issue. So I guess first, let's go ahead and get the produce cut up. And what we're going to do is we're going to load up the juicer and get started. Because most of this video is going to be me cutting off the peel of the Rambutan. We're going to go ahead and speed this part of the video up for you guys until I get the whole hopper full of Rambutan. And that's the amazing thing about the Nama C2 machine is unlike most juicers on the market, this machine has a hopper that you could actually fill up, load up. You could then shut the lid, turn it on, and you can literally walk away and let the juicer do all the work without you. In this case, what I'll be doing is I'll be allowing the juicer to do its juicing while I'm cutting and continue to feed things in. So this way I am multitasking and saving time as the juicer is working. So the first step is we want to make sure we have some lemon in the hopper. The lemon will add that nice acid flavor. In addition, the lemon will act as a preservative through the citric acid through the Rambutan juice or lemonade that we're going to make. So I guess without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting open these Rambutans and dropping them into the machine. As you guys can see, I got the hopper loaded up with all the peeled Rambutans with the seed inside still. So we're going to go ahead and shut the lid and turn the machine on. And we're going to go ahead and let the machine separate out all the seeds so that I don't have to. That would take at least double or more the amount of time that I spent just taking off the peels themselves. So let's go ahead and start this machine up and see how it does. All right, as you guys can see, we got some of the lemon juice coming out and the Rambutan juice coming out. Over on this side, it's kicking out the seed pulp as well as the fruit pulp. And we got this delicious Rambutan lemonade coming right out. As the machine is running, I'll just be dropping new fruits into the hopper to see if I'm able to peel and drop things in faster or it's faster at juicing. So I think to save you guys some time, we're just going to go ahead and speed this part of the video up for you. Alright, as you guys can see, the hopper is just about empty, and I think we're going to go ahead and take a break. I got through one whole bowl of the Rambutan fruit, and we made a bunch of juice, and I'm going to go ahead and peel the rest, and we're going to get the juicer started back up, and at the end, I'm going to share with you guys what my Rambutan lemonade tastes like. This is something I've never juiced before in my entire life. Alright, as you guys can see, I got the hopper loaded up again and just a few more Rambutans that I did not take this peel off. So we're going to go ahead and shut this, get the machine going, and we're going to let all the delicious Rambutan lemonade come out of the machine while I process the final Rambutan. Alright, as you guys can see, we got all those Rambutan juiced. It took 6 minutes to do this last batch. I'm estimating about 6 minutes to do the preceding batch to make all this juice. And I want to show you guys actually how much pulp was put into the juice in this specific recipe. Depending on your recipe, pulp in the juice will vary. But look at this, man. We juiced like nearly 14 pounds of Rambutan, and there's very little pulp that was put in the juice. There's so little that I probably didn't even need to strain it. And then I want to show you guys this. Check this out, guys. All those Rambutan fruits were condensed down, the seeds were crushed up, and now we have all the pulp here. This pulp, I could squeeze it. I mean, you could still squeeze some juice out of it. While some people may want to put it back through and wring it out again and get it even drier, you would then get higher concentration of the nutrients from the seed in the juice, which may not be the best idea. Also, these fruits were not, number one fruits, they're probably number twos. So I'm happy just getting the juice out of them that I did. And it looks like we made a total of almost 6 cups of the Rambutan lemonade right here. This is some valuable stuff, guys. I've never tasted this before in my entire life. So let me go ahead and pour you guys a glass of the Rambutan lemonade. Look at that, man. Milky white lemonade there. Looks like a nut milk. 100% Rambutan and lemon. Wow, this stuff smells amazing. Let's go ahead and try it. Oh my gosh. That's insane. Like, I put just enough lemon. I had 2 lemons for 14 pounds of Rambutans. I taste the acid part, so that's going to be good because it's going to help stay fresher longer. Wow. But the flavor is so intense, like you get a burst of sweetness, right? Man, I swear this is probably the best lemonade I've ever made in my entire life. I'm quite impressed. I'm not really getting any hardcore bitter overtones from the seeds that were ground up and pressed out. Also, maybe it's a little bit fatty because some of the documented published studies show that there's actually a good fat percentage in the Rambutan seeds, and in some cases they're pressing oil out and actually adding it to something like chocolate bars, for example. Wow. This stuff is absolutely incredible, guys. And if you have the opportunity to make your own Rambutan lemonade, you guys could do it in the Nama C2 or even the J2 juicer with the automatic hopper that will grind up the seeds, spit them out so that you don't have to take them out. Now, the other thing I will let you guys know is that many seeds can be put in the juicer. Here are some examples: apples, pears, Asian pears, watermelon, cantaloupe, things like pits, like apricot pits, cherry pits, peach pits, nectarine pits, mango pits. All those guys need to be removed out of the fruit before juicing, or you will damage the juicer. Rambutan seeds are fine. They are a softer texture, and the machine will crush them up and eject them right out. Something like cactus fruit seeds are rather hard, and I do not recommend juicing straight cactus fruit, but if you put half cactus fruit with half jicama, cubed up jicama, it's going to work great. And I'm the guy that you want to go to if you guys want to learn how to make different juices and juice all the different kinds of fruits and vegetables, because chances are I've probably juiced it in one of the juicers over my last 28 years of eating lots of fruits and vegetables, predominantly in my diet. Now, the other trick I want to share with you guys is that this recipe is based on the original recipe that I got from the Juice Man, also known as Jay Kordich. He shared the recipe of juicing lemons with apples to make your own lemonade. Instead of apples, which I think are ho-hum, I used Rambutans, and it took this recipe over the top. That being said, you could make a lemonade using any fruit as the sweetener so that you guys don't have to add all that extra sugar. Of course, get right fruits so you don't have to add sugar in to make the fruits taste sweet, because a fruit should taste sweet in the get-go. So if you guys want to make your own lemonade in the Nama C2 or even J2 juicer, using Rambutans or other fruits, right? You guys want to use a coupon code lemonade at namawell.com. Put the link down below in the description. That'll save you guys 10% off the Nama C2 juicer, which is 80 bucks off for this amazing machine that can make lemonade, make nut butters, make frozen fruit sorbets, make hot soups, make raw soups, and do a lot more. Make sure you also check my other videos, links down below in the description, for my other videos on the amazing Nama C2 juicer. Now, when you guys use that coupon code lemonade, not only will you save $80 off the Nama C2, you also going to get a 15-year full warranty on the machine. Nama has some of the best customer service in the juicing industry at this time. You're also going to get a special bonus package of over 70 different recipes, both juicing and blending, as well as a course, 2 courses actually, Blending 101 and Juicing 101, that's going to teach you guys all the basics about juicing and blending, as well as provide you guys a meal plan of a 5 and a 14-day plant-forward meal plan, so you guys can get more whole plant foods in your diet to get healthier. And that's why I really love the Nama C2, because it's surely more than just a juicer. It's more than just a blender. It is an appliance that could change your life, that could take your family's health into the next level. Instead of buying the processed lemonade with like sugar in there and that just the powder stuff that's all fake, you can make the real deal and make some amazing recipes yourself at home using the Nama C2. Now, also, when you guys use that coupon code, Nama will share with me a small commission so I can continue to buy my Rambutan fruits, continue to pay my light bill and pay my video editor, thanks Sandra, and I could continue to make these videos for you guys to share with you guys all the amazing things you guys can do with the Nama C2 juicer. So I want to thank you guys who will use my coupon code. That helps me out so I can continue to make these videos and do the education work that I love so much, to help educate the world about the power of fruits and vegetables and how you can unlock them with your very own Nama C2 juicer and blender combo. If you guys enjoyed this episode, hey, please be sure to give this a big thumbs up, and more importantly, share this with other people that are interested in making their own lemonades, whether it is out of Rambutans like I did today or other fruits. You can do it in the Nama J2, and it's going to be delicious and so much more healthy than the store-bought lemonade. Also, be sure to click that subscribe button right down below so you don't miss my new upcoming episodes. I'll be coming out every 5 to 7 days. You know where I'll show up, or what you'll be learning, what new juicers I'll be boxing, what new knowledge bombs I'll be dropping on you, or what new juicers I'll be comparing against each other, so that you guys can find the exact perfect machine for your specific needs, because everybody has different needs. Make sure you click the bells to get notified as my new videos come out. And finally, be sure to check my past episodes. The past episodes are a wealth of knowledge. Over 700 episodes at this time on the channel dedicated to teach you guys all about the different appliances that allow you to process more fruits and vegetables and other plant foods in the best way possible. And make sure you check the links down below in the description for other videos I made with the Nama C2 showing all the amazing things you can do with it. So with that, my name is John Kohler with DiscountJuicers.com. Be sure to visit DiscountJuicers.com/YouTube for special promotional offers for our YouTube visitors.